That I got these products from coverfx. Thank you coverfx for sending these to me. I did a post about them a little while ago on my Instagram, but I did not review these or even try these out on that post, so I wasn't wearing them. But they sent me their custom coverfx drops. These, this is the N60 and this is N70, so I'm just gonna quickly see. I'm so bad at tanning my hands, like look at that. That's just so bad. Oh shit. So those are both, I think I'm definitely gonna have to do the lightest color, which is N60. So I'm gonna see how much coverage it has on its own, and I'm just gonna test it on my face just to see how much coverage I get. That's pretty good coverage. I like that. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and I'm gonna work that into my skin. Oh my god, that looks so good. That's really pigmented. I usually never wear foundations that are this pigmented, so I like it a lot. It's different from what I usually put on my face because I like the more hydrating foundations, which usually tend to be a little bit more sheer in coverage. So I really like this, and I think it matches perfectly with my, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my face. I already have my eyebrows on because I don't have any coverfx eyebrow products. I don't even think they make eyebrow products. So I already did my brows, and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. So this is a side-by-side comparison. This side of my face has no foundation. So I'm just gonna do a little bit on my chest. It looks matte, but it's not super drying. It's actually a little bit dewy, which I really, really love in a foundation. The good thing about the coverfx drops is that if you are going to buy it online, you don't have to get a color that absolutely matches your skin tone, because this can be added to your already existing foundation to make it darker or make it brighter, and you can customize the kind of coverage you want with the drops. I don't even think I need concealer. So I'm gonna skip the concealer. I already have my brows on. Now we're gonna go to the really fun part. This is the coverfx Perfect Highlighting Palette. I don't have any other shadows from coverfx, so I'm gonna use this for my eyes as well as my face. So this is a peachy tone, this is a bronze, this is like a champagne color, this is a pink color that's a little bit on the peachy bronzy side, and then this is the white, the whitest highlighter they have. I'm so mad my camera stopped filming. It always does this to me. Okay, so I used Celestial, no I'm lying. I used Prism on my eyelids, which looks super, super pretty. It's very much like an iridescent color, so it throws green, blue shades out. And then I went ahead and put the color Blossom in my crease, just for a little bit of depth. I know that a lot of people are against using shimmers in their crease, but I don't mind it. I like it, and I want to try out all the colors. So now I'm going to use the color Rose Gold and put it in there as well. Oh wow, that's so pretty. So Rose Gold there. And then to highlight my brow, I'm going to use the color Celestial. That's so pretty. This is perfect for like a festival type of look. So I'm gonna take the darkest shade, which is Golden Peach, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash. So I am back with some lashes and some lower lash mascara. Now I'm going to try the Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is in the color Sunlight. That is truly blinding. So this is about to go on my face. I already contoured a tiny bit and bronzed my face just a little bit more. And I added a tiny bit of bronzer into my crease just to give it a bit more depth. So I'm happy with the way that looks, and now I'm just gonna try a few drops. Going in with my beauty blender. So I'm just gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna try one color here on this side. I'm gonna go in with the color Blossom. And then on this side, I'm gonna go in with Prism because that's what I have on my eyes. And to finish it off, I'm gonna go back in with the pink one and this one. I'm just gonna go onto my cheeks, so why not? I feel like a Spice Girl, that's all I can say. This is a super fun look, very festival inspired. I love it. I really like the pink on the lips. It might be a bit too much, but this is definitely more of a out there sort of look. But I mean, I can rock this out to lunch, you know, or dinner. Thank you coverfx for sending me these products. They are amazing. Do not hesitate to follow me on Instagram and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Bye guys.